Hi, my name's Lorne Curry. I'm from Curry Financial Group, and I'm just here to tell you a little bit about what we do behind the scenes to help our clients in their group benefit program. I've been in the financial services business for over 25 years. In the last 15 years, I've been specializing in employee group benefits. One of our main goals here at Curry Financial Group is education. The biggest problem that we find in the group benefit business is knowledge, and that would be whether the advisor is knowledgeable or the plan administrator or the business owner. So, as an advisor, I mentioned earlier, I've specialized in group benefits for 15 years. This is what we do. There are a lot of advisors out there that might sell one group benefit plan a year. They only have, two or three maybe in their entire block of business, so they don't specialize in it. There's a lot that goes into group benefits behind the scenes, which we're going to cover in many of these videos. As far as the plan administrator, they need to be trained. Somebody has to help them understand what their responsibilities are. And as a business owner, there's training. You want to be an informed consumer. So you want to make sure that you can make an informed decision when you're buying your program. So a lot goes into the price of a group benefit plan. You can't just pick, a price from a spreadsheet. Most cases, that unknowledgeable advisor is probably just going to say, here's the lowest price. I think you should take it. That is not the case. Our industry loves acronyms. It's like speaking a different language, and we try to be very careful to make sure that we're speaking English so that you understand what these terms mean. So do you know what a TLR is, an IBNR, inflation and trend factors, or what pooling charges are? I mentioned the last slide that we don't look at the lowest price because there's a lot goes into it. All four of these acronyms represent things that are very important when you're shopping your plan because they are going to determine what your next renewal is going to be. Sometimes the girls in the office refer to me as the spreadsheet guy. I have spreadsheets for everything. When we are looking at your renewal, I got a spreadsheet that's going to help me calculate what the expected change should be in your rates. That's taking into consideration claims that you've had versus premiums that you've paid. The other thing, what about the ASO rate change? Oh, there's another one of those acronyms that we'll have to talk about in more detail later. But I have a calculator that will help me figure out what those rates should be. If we're marketing your plan, we're going to need to know what will the expected renewal rate be at your first renewal if we are to take and move to a new carrier. I already talked a little bit about education. Who's going to educate the plan administrator, the person that is responsible for looking after your plan? They have to make sure that people are put on the plan at the right time. They're terminated from the plan if they leave. There's a lot of responsibilities that person has. The insurance companies are not training these people. What are your company's liabilities if they get it wrong? A lot of things to take into consideration. Even if the person has an HR designation, my understanding is there's very little in their curriculum to do with employee group benefit. We try and fill that gap. We have what we call our administrator's checklist. And we'll go over that with the plan administrator, the controller, the business owner, depending on who's looking after things. And we're going to make sure that we help your plan administrator do their job to the best of their ability. A big part of what we do behind the scenes here is actually servicing our clients, looking after your needs. Joan and Shannon look after all of the group client service needs. Generally, this includes clients' questions regarding their plan or claims issues from employees. Employees do need to reach out to the insurance companies directly in most cases because of privacy. We can't get involved. However, if there's any kind of an issue or somebody's not satisfied, then we're always here to help. Joan has been doing this for about 20 years. She also completes audits for our clients to make sure that things are in order. But there's a whole other topic that we can discuss in another video is audit. Shannon is newer to the group benefit business, but is being trained by the best. Yes, that would be Joan. Shannon also assists with all of my clients' meetings, whether we're in a sales meeting, a renewal meeting, or whatever the case might be. She looks after all the follow-ups for any questions that you may have during the meeting or any other information that we need to get back to you. No matter what your needs are, we are here to look after you. We take great pride in the service that we provide to our client. Thanks for listening to this short video. Hope it helps you understand a little bit about what we do behind the scenes. There's going to be more videos coming. Please stay tuned. You could also visit our website at www.curryfinancialgroup.com. We have 24 podcasts on that website. So there's lots more information, or you can always give us a call toll free at 1-866-445-4424. Thanks very much. Have a great day.